How to fix FC24 stuttering. Now, the very first thing that you'll do before you will execute the troubleshooting steps is make sure that your FC24 is not currently operating. To make sure of that, just go to your taskbar, right click, and then go to Task Manager. Now, under Processes, you'll be able to see if your FC24 is currently running or not. If it's currently running, then just click on it and then just click on End Task. The next thing that you'll do is go to your Windows and type in Network Sharing. Now choose on Manage Advanced Sharing Settings. And here go to Network and Sharing Center. Then click on your current Wi-Fi connection. And you'll have to disable it around 2 to 3 minutes. And once 2 to 3 minutes is up, then you'll have to enable it back again. So once you have fully enabled it again, all I have to do is go to Properties. And here there will be a new window that will pop out, and then go to Internet Protocol version 4 or the TCP. Double click on that, and below it you'll have to use the following DNS server addresses. Type in 8888. Now in the second field it's going to be 8844. I just click on OK and everything will be filled out. Now all I have to do next is just simply restart your PC and try to rerun your FC24 game once again. So that's it. That's how you troubleshoot FC24 stuttering.